What's up, everyone? We got a package today from Acuity Instruments. Let's open this box and take a look at what's inside. One hand is a little tough, but we'll make it happen. Alright, that's a lot better. Alright, so let's take a look at what it looks like to get a package from Acuity Instruments. Alright, let's open it up. So it looks like we got a little swag bag here, a few stickers and a key tag. It's pretty cool. Install guide, instructions. Pretty cool though. Got a few different stickers in there. I don't know if I can shake that up to get visibility of the second one, but there we go. All right, well, let's get in the box. All right, well, here's the shifter. We got the 4-way. So we'll get that out of the box and we'll see what else we got inside the box. All right, first box is out of there. Let's see what else we got. Looks like we have an Acuity Poco low profile shift knob. So we'll take a look at the inside of that. And we got some pry tools. So the pry tools actually look pretty cool. So I went ahead and I purchased these pry tools. So take a look at that as well. So I don't think there's anything else in the box. I'm gonna just look real quick and then we'll just go over everything we got. All right, so let's take a look at the shift knob. And then we got one hand working with this, trying not to mess anything up. There we go. So there's the opening of the box. And I have some more Acuity stickers to go with the swag bag there. And let's see what color we went with. Oh, it looks good. So we went with the purple. So I know I'm getting rid of some purple in the car, but I don't mind a little subtle, I don't mind subtle pops of color. So this thing is tiny. Look at my hand, dude, compared to this knob. Wow, feels like nothing is in my hand at all. But this thing feels like money, man. It feels great. So I don't know if you saw, Acuity just released some like charms that you could put around the shift knob. I'll post a link for that as well. This is not a sponsored video. I paid full price for everything you see here, minus the fact that it was 11% off for Black Friday. So that was something I had to take advantage of. And I think this is a great company. It was between this and the hybrid shifter, which is also a great shifter. I just heard a lot of great reviews about this and just wanted to give this shifter a try for myself. I have nothing negative to say about hybrid racing. I have a lot of their products already on the motor. And it really just came down to just the uniqueness of this shifter. I did watch a lot of review videos. I saw a lot of great reviews for both products. Again, this is my preference. I will definitely do an installation of this following what you're seeing here. And we'll see how it all works. The unfortunate thing is the transmission and the engine are not in the car, so I will not really get to feel the shifts, but it will be nice to actually see the thing installed in the car. So this is the shifter we're going with. And that's the, the shift knob we're going with. And then this is the shifter. So we're gonna open this up really quick just to get a quick, just to get a quick peek at that and see what we got. Okay, so we just opened the box. Literally just cut it open. And this is how it comes. So first things first, we have the itself. In one bag, so there we go. Open this up. Got another Acuity sticker. And this thing looks amazing. I mean, oh man, the craftsmanship is just that's something that I just wanted out of this shifter so bad. So I love the craftsmanship on this thing. I love the colors. I love the purple. Definitely goes with what we got. And we're gonna run an exposed boot, so there won't be a boot. You'll see all this exposed. So that's that. Let me get it out the bag so we get a little closer look, and then that'll be that. Okay, so we got everything out of the box. This thing, like I said, it looks amazing, man. The craftsmanship on this thing is just, man, amazing. I mean, just, man, just look at it. All right, so this thing's pretty cool. You just screw this into there, and that's it, man. And you just set Allen key on the top. So I don't know the exact one, but I will put in I'll put a little pop-up that shows the measurements. So this just goes in like that. That's it, man. Goes right in there. I got lucky. I just picked a random Allen and it works. But I'm gonna tighten this on and I'll show you what this all looks like when it's nice and tight. All right, we're back and we got this thing on, looking great. I'm really, really happy with this purchase. This is the coolest, one of the coolest things I bought for the car. I'm kind of at a loss for words. This thing feels like premium A1 materials, feel like they're like top notch. Man, there's no play in this thing and it's not even hooked up. I mean, I love it. It feels solid and I cannot wait to install it in the car. So enough with me talking and enough with the inbox. We're gonna install it in the car. And before I finish everything up, let's just take a look at the pry tools real quick. I just opened that. I'm gonna have to pull those out. These are the pry tools. They look pretty cool. Nothing to it, just simple. These are definitely better quality than the ones I got from Harbor Freight. So definitely happy with this purchase as well. Came with that. Came with this one. Hi, Piper. Came with this one. And it came with this one. I like the variations on these pry tools compared to the ones I have currently. So these will help. The car's already apart, so I won't have to use these right now, but it's good to have these for the future. Yeah, all right, buddy. So today we're gonna go through each thing: the Poco shifter knob, the 4-way shifter, the pry tools, and I think that was all we got. So we'll go through all of that and we'll go through the install, which will be very short and brief. So pardon the mess in the car, but we will need to get this center console out. There are a few screws. I will point out those areas in a short moment. If you've been keeping up, we do not have anything screwed in. So this is kind of already disassembled. So this has been removed. I can't really show you how to do that, but it comes out. There's literally clips, 4 clips on the tops and the bottoms. And then if you look closely here, you have something where there's a screw that goes there, and there's one more part in the lighting on the other side. You see that little hole right there. And I will show you the back where those screws need to be removed. But in the back, you have 2 screws on each side. One's here, one is on the other side, the exact same side. There's really no need to show you that. Actually, you know what? Just show you for the sake of it. So this is the other side. Didn't want to be lazy. That's what you got to remove right there. So once that's all removed, this all should come out in one piece. But once you get those 4 screws out, you literally just gonna pull back. You're gonna have the e-brake all the way up as such, and then it will be easy to remove. So the console, the center is all removed. We have it right here. We're gonna take that shift boot out so you can see this lovely shifter. All right, so we have the shifter just placed in here. No screws put in yet. We have them right here. They came with the shifter. These are 6 millimeters. We're gonna use this tool right here, and we'll just get them hand tight in there first, and then we'll show you what it looks like. So one thing I did want to point out, as you're putting these in, you probably just want to cross them just to kind of get an even placement on the shifter. That way one side, you know, it's all pretty even, just like you would tighten anything else down. So we're gonna get that out the way. We're gonna put this one in over here, right here with my fingers. That's it. Sorry about the lighting again. But yeah, let's get to it. Stuck, so we just gotta go back and forth. I'm not trying to break nothing. So on that note, give me 1 second. All right, we got rid of that weird feeling, and it seems like everything's all right now. Everything's tight. These also come with the torque specs on the side here. I'll put down on the screen. I know it's not gonna be clear what the torque specs are, and that's it. There it is. Let's get this tightened up and see what it looks like. All right, so we got the shifter in there. We got the cables in there. They weren't hard. I'll post some links to some videos that shows you some more detail. This is how it goes in though. We don't have the cables hooked up yet, so that we will do. We'll get those on, and then we'll get it kind of buttoned up a little bit. All right, so we went ahead and we took the shifter boot out of there. We're gonna get this all out. There's clips in here to get it out, I think. So we should be able to get it out in one piece. And that way we can run the spare so that the shifter is exposed. So let's take care of that now. So in order to get this boot off, you gotta loosen these staples. This thing is stapled in here. That is from the factory. So we're gonna get the staples out. We already got an example here, and then you pull this out. Once these flaps are all free, then there's these little smaller little slits here where you're able to pop out this little ring. So I'm gonna finish getting these staples out using these pliers. And this really skinny staple, this is like perfect for getting these staples out. So let's get to it. I was actually wrong. So once you get the staples out, that thing pulls right out. So straight. So that's it. Let's put this back on. So we got the console back in, pretty much just how it came out, and everything looks great. The shifter is high right now. Again, I gotta take this. Actually, I don't think I have to take this out now that the boot is exposed, to get the bushing in there so that there's no movement on that forward to back. But yeah, let's get the knob on really quick. Let's get it finalized. And this collar does come off, but I just have it on there just to make it easier. And that's it. There she goes. So, shifter installed in Acuity. A1. Excuse the messed up, left up hands. This thing looks amazing. The craftsmanship is just phenomenal, and I just wouldn't have it any other way than to have it exposed so you can see it. So, that's the shifter. That's the install. Quick and easy. All right. Thanks for tuning in.